One and a half cups of flour. Hang on. Look, don't even look. Hey, put that down. We don't need that in half. 1 teaspoon. That's a teaspoon. We haven't got the. Can you come stand over here? Alright, let's get the ingredients together first and then you can put them all in the big bowl. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, you watch Daddy. So first we need 1.5 cups of flour. Yeah. Just 1/2.
Wow.
1 cup.
Yeah.
There we go. 1.5 cups of flour. Yeah, that's flour. Yeah, say hi everybody. My name's Lewis. We're making pancakes. So we've got flour. Yep. Alright, what's next? 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just take this lid off, eh? Now I can refill it with what we've got. There's 1. It's about 2 tablespoons of sugar. So sugar. Now we need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I think they need to go together. 2.5 teaspoons. So look, 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. And then look, 1/2. Half a teaspoon. Alright, let's put the. Alright, now Daddy's gonna get the salt. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. No, look, here we go. 1/2. There we go, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Alright. Now, put that aside. Let's get the big bowl. You get the big bowl? Alright, you ready? Here, then you put the flour in. That's a lot of flour. Here. Alright, what do you want to put in next? The sugar? Put the sugar in? Here you go, now mix it up. There you go, we got this. Ooh, yeah. Alright, some salt. Mix it in. And what's this one? Baking powder. Can you say baking powder? Yep, good boy. Now we mix. There we go. Repurpose one of these bowls. Oh, don't make a mess. You're going to keep it inside the bowl. Mix up really well. Like this. Yeah, hold it. This way. Now mix. This one here, hold it like that. Hold the bowl. Now mix. So that's our dry ingredients. Can you say dry ingredients? Oh, I've got a job that you can do. Right, that's it. Let's put this down. Done. Well, we're done with this now. You can mash the banana. Is that a fork? Here we go. Here we go. No, look here. The fork. What you want to do? Go mash. Mash. You want to keep mixing that while Daddy mashes the banana? No, you can't eat it. That's yucky. They have to be cooked first.
Wow, is it lettuce?
It's flour with a little bit of sugar. Look what I got. Banana. Oh, you're spilling the flour. You need that to make the pancakes. Look what I've done. Mashed banana. Hey, keep the flour in the bowl, hey? On the side now. Alright, can we put this on? Let's get the banana sorted, hey? Come over here. Come this way. You watch. Okay, play with the flour. So we're going to whisk the eggs, add the milk and vanilla, and whisk well until blended. Let me get another bowl. So, let me get the milk and eggs. I'll put that there, you can't see it. Alright, what do we need? We need 2 eggs. Yeah, let me put that in the bin. Now we're going to put 2 eggs in here. Yeah, let Daddy crack the eggs, yeah? That's 1. And 2.
Wow.
Daddy got a little bit of shell in there, watch out. Ooh, there we go. 1 cup of milk plus 2 tablespoons. Here we go, look. Look, Louie.
Yeah.
1 cup. 1 cup of milk plus 2 tablespoons. Should be about right. Hey, you're gonna make pancakes, yeah? And we're gonna put the vanilla in. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here we go. Here we go. Here. Hold this. Here you go, tip that in. Yes, good boy. Now we'll take that away. Now, here we go. What are we doing? We are whisking the eggs. Here we go, mix it all. Just put the banana in too.
No.
Yep, here we go. It's milk and eggs with banana. You mix. Yay, good boy. Here, do you want Daddy to give it a good go?
Yeah, time. Look, watch Daddy, watch this. Ready?
Alright. You want to mix? Alright, melted butter. You mix. Now, what do we need? We need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Yeah? Are you mixing it well? Can I do it here? Melted butter. That's warm. I don't want to burn you. Alright, we're ready to make it all together. Well done. Yes, good. Yeah, we've got to fold it through. Fold it through. We don't want to over-mix it because it's pancake batter. It's just together. Look. Wow, it's coming together.
Where is it coming? Is it banana?
Yeah, I mean, look. It's almost coming together now. Wow. Here you go. You mix. Mix. I think we're almost done. Yum. Here, let Daddy have a look. It says on there the batter will be thick and lumpy. Alright, we're ready to start cooking. All done. Oh my gosh, no, here. Here, let me get you a spoon. Here, put that down. You can't have too much, it's got raw eggs in it. We're going to cook it now. Do you want to go cook it? Let's cook. Oh. It's cooking, look. See, the fire's on. Now we just wait for little bubbles to come on top. Stand up. You want to see the bubbles? Bubbles are coming. Here, let me clean up this. Alright, should we flip? You made these? Yeah. They're yours. You got to keep on frame. Alright, let them flip now. Say, look, I made pancakes. Did you make them? Say, I made them. Pancakes. Look. No more. Oh, I think they're done. We're not putting any extra salt on the pancakes. Look at your pancakes. My name is Lewis.
My name is Lewis.
Daddy is John.
John.
Yeah, Daddy is John.
John. Fire. Oh no.
The chef gets a free taste. Oh, can you taste the banana? Wait. Yep. Is that good? Is that yummy? Look here. Say yum yum. Did you make that? Hey, come here. Come here. Say, what it is. Hold it up. Here, hold it up. Say, I made this. Yum.
Mom made the butter.
Hi everyone.
Hello,
Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching.
Look at my pancakes.
Pancake. Pancake. Pancake.
Look. Where's the pancakes?
There's pancake.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mwah.
Mama.